Hello everyone! Today we're going to be looking at how to complete the sand stitch for knitting. There is more than one way to do this stitch to get the same result, so we're just going to look at one of those. This is a multi-row project, and to get started here we are going to start with doing a row of just knit stitches. Once you have completed your knit row, you are going to then alternate between a knit one, purl one stitch, just back and forth through the across the entire row. Once you have finished alternating between a knit one, purl one, you're going to again just do a straight knit stitch all the way across for your third row of this pattern. And for the last row of this pattern, you're going to alternate between a purl one, knit one stitch. Now that your 4 rows have been completed, you can just repeat that for the amount of length that you need of the sand stitch for whatever you're doing. This is not a reversible project, so as you can see, this is the right side where you did all the knit stitches, where you can see a very distinct pattern here. The wrong side, it looks something like this. So just bear that in mind for if you're using the sand stitch. But I hope that is helpful for your next project. Have a great day, and please like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye.